In Business Central, the relationship for receipting on purchase orders changes slightly when we're talking about dropship. So, dropship is a relationship between an original sales order that says, hey, I want this drop shipped from my supplier straight to my customer's address. And as we've seen in the previous videos, through the requisition worksheet, it loads the customer's address into the PO and creates the purchase order. Now, receipting, again, we're going to go over. Now, if you've got a warehouse location, such as Demo, that already has established warehousing processes, it now ignores this, okay? Because it's going straight from the distributor, straight from the wholesaler, straight to your customer. So it doesn't matter about the location that's set here. It overrides that. It's going straight from Graphic Design Institute to the customer's address. However, we've got this piece here to do with receiving and invoicing. So when I receive, technically, it's going to mark on the sales order that it's been shipped. So if we scroll over on the sales order, we can see quantity to ship 0, quantity shipped 0. It's not shipped yet. All right, let's see what happens. So I want to receive 5. I'm going to post and receive 5. Let that go. It's now quantity has been received. Now I want to make note that if I chose to invoice this now, it would fail. And the reason why it will fail is because the sales order has not been invoiced. So with a dropship, we're required to invoice the sales order first. Let's go back and take a look at what's happening on the sales order. As I look at this sales order, I can see dropship, stock on hand 0, the quantity over here, we can see quantity to ship was 0 is now 5, and now it's got a quantity invoice of 5. So this now can be invoiced to the customer. I can post ship an invoice. That's done. I'm going to press no. We're back on the purchase order. We now have an ability to post the invoice. So again, running through this, purchase orders are linked to sales orders. If you receive on one, it receives on the other, but you can't invoice the purchase until we've actually invoiced the customer.